Sir, shall we start the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam, you can start. Okay.
Okay, sir. Once again, a warm welcome to everyone for the concluding session of our 10-day orientation program. Today, we have another great person from NCPAR as our resource person. So, I'm very happy to welcome Mr. Shivamani, Senior Manager, Nehru Corporate Placement and Industrial Relationships. We're very happy to have you with us, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Now, I invite Mr. Murthy, Senior Instructor, AME and AMT, Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences, to formally introduce our resource person. I welcome you, Murthy, sir.
What is, sir? Sir, Mr. Moti, sir.
Sir, once again, sir.
Moti, sir.
Okay, now audible, sir. Sir?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Moti, sir.
Okay. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to everyone present here. I part of Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Science teaching faculty. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce our resource person, Mr. Shivamani, sir, Senior Manager, Nehru Corporate Placement and Industrial Relations. He did his graduation and post-graduation in St. Joseph College, Bharatdasan University, Trichy. He served more than 22 years in the field of sales, marketing, technology and management. Today he will share knowledge and insights on career guidance and opportunities. Please join me in welcoming him. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you start, sir? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir. We can start now. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir, thank you. Warm welcome, Mr. Murthy, sir and ma'am. I'd like to thank, first I'd like to thank our management, CEO and Secretary, Dr. P. Krishna Kumar, sir, for the continuous support and motivation for the student fraternity. And then I'd like to thank our Dean, Dr. Balaji, sir, for the given opportunity. And I'd like to thank our HOD, Dr. Singara Vadivan, sir, for the wonderful coordination of the initiative. And also thank Lekia ma'am, Murthy sir, and all the faculty members, and Ramesh sir, training manager, and all the my dear students. Thank you. And today is a great day for us. I'm delighted to meet you all in this online platform. So when I was in the topic given to Mr. Singara sir, I was excited to meet you all today. So we are going to discuss about the career opportunity. So I start with the Tirukkural. Slide. See, Tirukkural is having all the everything have for the life things. So I'll start with the Karke Kasarara Karpavi Katrapi Nirke Adarku Taga. இதோட அர்த்தம் என்னன்னா, கல்வி கற்க நல்ல நூல்களை குற்றமற கற்க வேண்டும், அவ்வாறு கற்ற பிறகு கற்ற கல்விக்கு தக்கவாறு நெறியில் நிற்க வேண்டும். என்னன்னா, நல்ல நூல்களை நம்ம எந்த மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இல்லாம கத்துக்கணும், கற்ற பிறகு அந்த வாழ்க்கையில நம்ம அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். So what you learn in the books are not only subject and other things, you should implement in your life. There is meaning of this. Now, next slide. See, the goal. First and foremost is a goal, because without goal, no human being cannot survive, cannot get any success in our life. So, I take it as per Abdul Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, no, he's a former president and a great scientist and the hero of youngsters. So dream big. He always talk about a lot of things, especially dream big, he said. Okay, so if you think big, you'll get success. So set your goal in a high level. Then only you should, if you fix your goal, your direction is fixed. Say for example, you are studying in our Nehru College, you may be residents in, you are starting from residence to college. So your direction is fixed. You are starting, in the morning you are starting from home to reaching the college. That is the aim. So you are reaching. Likewise, you should have a goal and a direction. There your line is clear. So we should go, now you are our freshers, you join your first year, you should set a goal. Oh, everyone having the goal. If not, please fix the goal today itself. See, now you should have a goal of academics. Okay, I joined in Nehru College. I should pass out with a distinction. That should be your goal. If you fix the goal, your direction is fixed. And you should dedicate it every day, whatever is teaching by your teachers. You dedicatedly understand the concept and study, then and there, work for that, do your work, then and there means that is a dedication towards your studies. Because now you don't have any other activities. Because you are fully dedicated to the education. So dedication is very important, and discipline. So ethics is important. Whatever you do in a disciplined manner, you should respect your teachers, elders, parents, and all the elders. It is discipline. If you move towards means, you can reach your destination. For that, you should have a target. The target is 3 years of span, because our course is 3 years. Within the 3 years, you should fix your goal. Okay, I should get distinction. Then I should place in a dream company. That is your goal. So if you fix it within 3 years, you should complete all your course. You can reach your destination. Okay. Thank you. Next slide. Next is a good practice. The future depends on what you today, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, said. See, whatever you are doing today, okay, that is tomorrow. Suppose if you start doing something initiative today, definitely you can get a harvest. So, for example, you can take farmers doing cultivation of paddy today. After 3 months or 4 months, he will harvest. So, you start cultivate good habits today, qualities today, and your studies start today. You can get success. Then practice makes man perfect. I can give an example of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. He's a famous cricketer. Students, you all know about the Sachin Tendulkar. How many people like Sachin? Can you answer? Good. Dinesh Krishna, Lakshman. Anybody else like Sachin Tendulkar? Why Sachin Tendulkar? Somebody said Sachin. No, why? Lakshman, why Sachin? Can you answer? Sachin, can you answer me? Sachin, நீங்க சொல்லலாம் எதுக்காக உங்களை சச்சினை பிடிக்கும் உங்களுக்கு? Ashman? So as I like to interact you, then only you can also learn. And it is straight drive. Good, good. Very good. Anything else? MST, sir. Good. Anybody else? Inspiration. Anything else? His love for cricket. Great. Dedication. Excellent. Murganandu. Arjun workout. Vishwa hard work. Okay, fine. Fatima had okay, perseverance, good for cricket, captaincy. Excellent, excellent. Very nice. See, success of Sachin is practice, continuous practice. Whether it's sunny or rainy, he never lose bother about it. He's keep on doing the net practice. Okay, that's why he was the master batsman in the world after the Broadman. Am I right? That's why he scored 15,921 score in the test match. Lakshman, can you tell how much he scored in the international? Any idea? Lakshman? Okay, I tell you. He scored 18,426 runs in one day international. Because practice makes a man perfect. That's why Sachin Tendulkar every day do the net practice, he scored this many runs. It is a success. I tell you one formula, 21 days, 21 into 90. See, if you do your work 21 days continuously, it is become a habit. It is like it is continuous 90 days, it will become a lifestyle. Okay, I can give an example. So if you want wake up in the morning 5 o'clock, okay, from the beginning you have a lot of struggle to find out to wake up. But if you continue 21 days, it will become a habit. Like that, 90 days is a lifestyle. Okay, so good practice. Those who are wake up in the early morning, all are achievers like any great, great leaders like Abdul Kalam or Mahatma Gandhi or any top level, even business people. Okay, Ambani, you can take, Anil Ambani, any people, even Tata, all great people are early wake uppers. If you early wake up, you can complete your studies or homework. If you do your studies in the early morning, in Tamil, people will say, Pasumarathani. அப்படின்னா பசு மரத்தில் நீங்கள் ஆணி அடித்தோம்னா ஷார்ப்பாக உள்ளே போகும். அதே காஞ்ச மரத்தில் ஆணி அடித்தோம்னா உள்ளே போகாது. ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டாக இருக்கும். ஏர்லி மார்னிங் நீங்கள் படிச்சீங்கன்னா என்ன படிக்கிறீங்களோ அப்படியே உங்கள் மனசில் பதிக்கும். அதனால தான் ஏர்லி மார்னிங் நம்ம பெரியவங்க காலையில் படிக்கணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. காலையில் சீக்கிரம் வச்சு படிச்சிங்கன்னா படிக்கிறது எல்லாமே மனசில் பதியும். ஸோ ஏர்லி மார்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்தது இதில் ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்குங்களா? Any friends, students? Okay, good, good. So next we can talk about time management. See, time management is very important, my dear friends. See, if you are starting in your, tomorrow you are going to, you have examination, say for example, you should start very in advance. Your college time is 9 o'clock. You start willing at least, if you are traveling time 1 hour, you should start at least 1.5 hours earlier to avoid the last minute tension. Okay, should in particular lot of things will happen. You can tire, and a two-wheeler tire will puncture, a bus will break down. Everything will need lot of power will beat up. So you should meet the time on time. So time management is important. So start your day in a well in advance. You can, people ask people, sports person, maybe those who are participating in the Olympics, they should get a gold medal. They are managing time. They are coming 1 second advance. They will get a gold medal. So like that, you should manage the time is very important, and never give up. So you can get example of Gandhiji. So Gandhiji, he was for a freedom fighter. He only because of Gandhiji, we got a freedom in the year 1947. Okay, so he never lot of problems given by the British people. He never give up. He's continuously fighting against with the English people. Finally, we got success. That is, we got freedom of 1947. So, my dear friends, in our life also, don't give up for anything. Keep on trying until you get success. Now, next slide. Now, next slide.
Sorry, sir, 1 second, sir.
On. Yes, definitely we can talk about the placements. Before that, I am talking about the qualities, what are the important things we should learn in our life. Friends, கண்டிப்பா எல்லாத்தையும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம் one by one. Ma'am, can you move to next slide, ma'am? Ma'am, can I try? Any problem, ma'am?
Sir, 1 second, sir. Not the problem, sir. 1 second.
I can try, ma'am. No, not try பண்ணட்டுமா மேடம்? நான் ட்ரை பண்றேன்.
No, sir, it's ready, sir.
Okay. Now can you try? It's ready? Ma'am? Ma'am, நான் கரெக்ட் பண்ணட்டுமா?
So now it's ready, sir. 1 second.
Okay. Okay. Next, please. Next, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Students, can you tell why health is wealth? Students, say health is wealth சொல்றாங்க நம்ம பெரியவங்க. You can answer. Okay. Good health is sound mind. Okay. நீங்க நல்லா ஹெல்த்தா இருந்தாதான் நம்ம மைண்ட் நல்லா இருக்கும். Yes, you are right. நம்ம ஹெல்த்தா இல்லைன்னா breaking the obstacles, correct, you are right. Okay. So நம்ம வந்து ஹெல்த்தியா இருந்தாதான் நம்ம மைண்ட் சவுண்டா இருக்கும். இன்னும் நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியுமோ, நம்மளோட ஒர்க் படிக்கிற முடியுமோ, ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் படிக்கணும், ஒர்க் பண்றவங்கன்னா ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியும். Voice not clear, huh? No clear? Okay. Now clear?
Yes,
Am I
sir,
audible?
clear.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So, good health is sound mind சொல்றாங்க. ஏன்னா நம்முடைய உடம்பு நல்லா இருந்தா, தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க, சுவர் இருந்தா தான் சித்திரை வரைய முடியும். உடம்பு நல்லா இருந்தா நம்ம எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் அச்சீவ் பண்ண முடியும். அப்போ உடம்பு நல்ல ஆரோக்கியமா இருக்கணும். உடம்பு ஆரோக்கியம் இருந்தால் மனசு ஆரோக்கியமா இருக்கும். அப்போ நம்ம படிக்கிறது நம்ம மனசு புரியும். எந்த ஒரு செயலையும் நம்ம முழு ஈடுபாடோட பண்ண முடியும். வெற்றி நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். பேலன்ஸ் லைஃப்னு சொல்றாங்க. பேலன்ஸ்ல என்ன? இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஒர்க் பண்றோம். இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட், நீங்க படிக்கிறீங்க. படிக்கிறது உங்களுடைய பிரைமரி டியூட்டி. ஓகேங்களா? அப்போ உங்க ஹெல்த் ஆரோக்கியமா இருக்கும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா நீங்க நல்லா படிக்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி உங்க பர்சனல் லைஃப் பார்த்துக்கலாம். எல்லாத்தையும் உங்களால மேனேஜ் பண்ண முடியும். நீங்க ஹெல்த் சரியில்லைன்னா எதையும் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. பர்சனல் லைஃப் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. உங்களுடைய எஜுகேஷனையும் நீங்க கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால ஹெல்த் முக்கியம். Sorry, somebody said anything, sir? You are right. Sai? Yeah, good. So for next, if health is good, your performance also good. You can perform very well in your studies. Okay, friends. So, sorry, English, otherwise people don't understand. Okay, understand. So, balance life. Okay, so if you have good health, you can balance your education and your personal. Automatically, you can performance also increase. So wealth creation, no. See, whatever you gain money, okay. If you are not healthy, you are losing your money for taking your treatment, for spending money for the hospitals. So please maintain a health. Means you are creating asset. Okay. Everyone agrees for this? Agree? All agree? Okay. So for that, yes, thanks, Girish Kumar. So I recommend that 2 exercises like yoga, meditation, breathing, and walking. So yoga, meditation, breathing, it will give you more energy to you. Okay. Thanks, Vishman. So if you do yoga, your energy level going up. You will get a good concentration power. So it will help for your studies. And your mind very calm. You can take a good decision. Okay. Today's scenario, because now we are in the pandemic period. So we should do yoga, meditation, breathing, and walking. Our immunity power will increase. Automatically we can protect from the pandemics. Okay, so please do this exercise. It will give more confidence and our health, mind, everything perfect. You can study in better way and eat good foods. Avoid the junk foods and outside foods. You avoid eating healthy. Thank you, friends. Next slide. Next slide. So Vasuki ma'am, next. Okay, now we are come to the our subject. See, career opportunity. The topic is related to the subject. See, whatever you are speaking, it is related to your career. So if you want to get into your company, you should thoroughly understand the concept, study the subject very deeply. Thoroughly means you will get into good job because you get a lot of new ideas. So company will expecting you, those who are having the good idea, strong in the subject knowledge because it's parallel related to your work. So my dear friend, so study the subject carefully, understand the concept. It will help always. You become an expert in your subject. So subject knowledge is very important to get into the company and they perform very well when you are going to work. Okay. Any doubt in this subject knowledge, my dear friends? The students, any doubt? Why I should learn subject? Somebody can answer. Please be interactive. I am audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, thank you, madam. Students, be interactive. Why subject? Thank you. Why subject knowledge is very important? Everybody is speaking. Why study, keep on studying. Why subject is very important? Anybody can say? Students, somebody may answer. Because you are studying 10th standard, 12th standard, your class. Every parents, teachers say study. Why? Anyone can answer. Whatever you know, nothing worry. Whatever you know come to your mind, please share. Share your views. What? Please. Developing national gap, actual knowing information, exactly. You are right. Anything else? Anybody else? See, subject is very important. If you know the subject very well only, you can score high marks. Number one. Number two, get success in your life. Yeah, Sarath, acquiring knowledge. Okay. Then, anybody else? Going succeed your life. Sipiraj. Good. So, dear friends, please understand, study very well your subject, understand the concept, so you get new ideas, you become an expert in that. Automatically, all the companies experting should be subject matter expert. Okay? Now, next slide. In this, any doubt, my dear friends? Next is communication skills. See, communication is able to convey our ideas to receiver or opponent. So communication, there is a three types. One is verbal communication, when you listen to a person to understand their meaning. Next one is written communication, in which you read their meaning. Third one is non-verbal communication, in which you observe a person and the informing. Okay, right. See, why people are saying communication? What is important communication? Anybody can answer? Why communication is important? Sharing idea, excellent. Dinesh Krishnan, excellent. Sharing the ideas, very good. Then, anybody else? bringing people together, good. Lakshman, Nagul Dev, because the person should understand, take relationship, improve the skills, sharing your thoughts, Siddharth, good, excellent, excellent. See, whatever in your mind, your views, your thoughts, you should be able to communicate to your friends, relatives, your teachers, or you are going to work in a company, your boss, your client. So improve your communication. See, you may be strong in your subject. Okay, sir, I am strong. I scored high marks in my subject. That will help. There is a one criteria, but it won't help. But you should improve your communication skill also. Whatever you learn, they should be able to convey to others. That is very, very important. The world is moving around. Who is communicate well, they are getting success. If you take any leaders, okay, Gandhi ji, Abdul Kalam ji, anybody else, get there because of their communication. Only they get a success. So friends, please learn communication. Okay, sir. Today's scenario, if you want to get job, okay, you are going to work in a company. Our official language is maybe Tamil, English, Malayalam, any language. You can improve communication, but same time you should improve the English communication. Why? Because wherever you are going to work, you are going to meet top people outside country or different state people. They don't know our regional language. So common language is and official language is English. So we should improve the English communication. Okay, sir. You are saying English communication. How to improve the English communication? Anybody can say? Okay, Jagan, the English language is one of the best knowledge to select the people to share their ideas. Excellent. Anybody else? Why should you increase the English communication? Okay, sir, I improve my English, I improve the communication general. Okay. How to communicate with English others? How to develop English communication? Can anybody share your views? Students, please. By practicing, excellent. Sarath, excellent. See movies, Sibiras, good. Anybody else? Friends, please participate, dear students. If you participate, you will be two-way interacting. Only what I can simply say, something will go to mind, something will not go to mind. If you also involve, you also learn something. Okay, Nagul day by talking with your other friends with the language, other reading English newspaper or watching English, you good. That's why instead of words, learns a sentence, good. Jagannathan by speaking with the highly ranked people, good. Murugavan by speaking to others, excellent. Then, okay, excellent, excellent. Okay, I tell you, my dear friends. See, okay, sir, I want to improve my English communication skill. I tell you. See, my dear friends, today you are the first day of exam. Let us assume you are all studying 3 years course. Okay, AAB, okay, BSc, BBA. People are 3 years course. You take a challenge or let's take a challenge this today. Okay, sir. You said today. From today onwards, take one English newspaper, especially like maybe Hindu. You can take paper. Read 2 hours in your home or wherever you are there in the room. Loudly you can read 2 hours the newspaper. First, number one, why I should ask to read loudly? You can get a clarity on the concept. You get a clarity of the news. You get it. Number two, you note down 5 new words. Get meaning of 5 new words. The same day, okay, you can send a form of a sentence. Okay, say for example, success. One word you can success. Okay, I want to get success in my life. Likewise, you should write another 4 words. Okay. So you are improving. First of all, you are reading your has to read 2 hours loudly. So your clarity is reading skills you are improving. Number 2, has to write framing a sentence 5 words in a day. You are improving your writing skills. Third one is same day you can speak to your friends. So whatever you frame, same thing you can speak to your friends. Those 5 words. Automatically, same day you are improving 3 skills: reading, writing, and speaking this. See, from the beginning, everyone having to make a mistakes. Those who are speaking today, excellently or fluently, they all committed mistake, did the mistake from the beginning. So don't hesitate to speak others. Start speaking today itself. No, from the beginning, you will make a lot of mistakes. Don't worry about it. So, my dear friends, start practice. In a day, 5 words. If you continue 1 month, 150 words. In a year, 1,800 words. You can vocabulary you can improve. In a 3 years of your course time, you can learn 5,400 new words. So you are automatically improve your vocabulary. Once you have a strong vocabulary, you can automatically fluently speak to your friends. Friends or relatives or your teacher who is, or you get a confidence, you can speak fluently to anybody else. Okay, and also as friends said, some friends said, you can watch English, or TV channel like BBC, whatever whichever English channel, please watch. You can, watching the news channel, you will get a pronunciation, you can learn the pronunciation. By the way, you can improve your English communication. Any doubts, students, in this? You can answer. Students, any doubt? No doubt. Clearly. Good, Dinesh Kumar, Radharaj, those all agree what I said, agree? Clear? Understood? Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jagannath, Mahaprabhu. Okay. So we can move to next slide. No, next slide. Okay. Okay. This is very important. Another positive attitude. Okay, sir. Communication improve, actually, subject knowledge, actually, then positivity. This is also one of the quality to get success in our life and wherever going to work. This is very important. So positive thoughts. See, every human being having, our minds always comes 2 things in our mind. One is positive thoughts, the other one is negative thoughts. Okay. All the days, day and night, likewise, we are getting 2 things, positive and negative. So what I request you people, start cultivate positive thinking. It is keep on cultivate positive thinking over the period of time. Automatically your positive will high. So from that moment onwards, you will start cultivating, start harvesting success, good health, happiness, prosperity, success, everything to you. Am I clear, my dear friends? Understood? So, those who are positive attitude, having a positive attitude, they never postpone the work. See, do it now. Don't postpone tomorrow. Today is a good day. Whatever you want to today, you start today. Okay, that will lead to you success. And live in the present. Don't think about yesterday and don't think about tomorrow, because it will not help out. It will never help us. Tomorrow and yesterday never help us. Today is reality. Whatever you want, you can achieve. See, friends, live in present. That's why I request you. Automatically, if you are a positive person, you can adapt. Why I am saying adaptability? See, today you are all students studying this college. You are from different states, different districts. You are making new friends. Okay, so you are adapting the different type of your friends, different atmosphere. Likewise, you should adapt same things in your when you are going to work in the future. That is also one of the quality to get success. Then easy to handle the stressful situation. See, if you are a positive person, any human being, definitely they are having a stress. Without person, you can't find it in this earth. Without you can't find any person without stress. So every person having stress. See, if you are doing positive, if you are a positive person, you can handle the situation very easily. Am I right, my dear friends? Yeah, good. Lakshman, be positive can lead you to best even in the other times. Yes, Sarath, how to cultivate positive thoughts. Yes, good, excellent. So keep on cultivating, see, because our mind is no, I said no, both, positive and negative will come. So you should do the editing part. How the who is doing the editor doing editing, whichever wants things, you edit and you do the compiling. Likewise, we will get the positive and negative, it will come to our mind. It is keep on changing. But our duty to encourage only positive thing, negative thing, avoid. Keep on, okay, you allow them, okay, allow them the negative, okay, become as it likes. Don't bother about negative. Keep on think about, okay, it is not for us. It is for me. It is not for me. Mind is thing is positive. Whatever good things come to your mind, whenever bad things come to you, that time you think about what positive, what and all you achieved in your life. That time when you are sad, that time you think what you achieved in your schooling. Lot of good moments happened, in our life. Please think about those things. You can avoid the negative things. By the way, you can cultivate positive things. Am I right? Answer, Sarath? Sarath, I answer how to cultivate positive thoughts. Sarath, am I clear? Okay, now next slide. Thank you, sir. Team player. Why we are talking about team player? All the company, every company expecting the employee should be a team player. Team players is leading the team. He is heading the team. Maybe 20 people or 40 people, 50 people. Is heading the team. He is always self-aware. So what are the qualities need for a team player? Somebody can answer. Students, you can answer. Students, you can answer. Will you know something? Okay. A leader, good. Anand Suraj, a leader, good. Ranjit Kumar, leader, good. What are the qualities should have by a team leader, team player? Ranjit Kumar, leader. Any answer? Okay. I really appreciate you. So you're all right. Good. See, the team leader should be the leading the team. He should be self-aware. Whatever that task is given by him, he should know aware about everything in a proper way. Yeah, flexible. And he should adjust with the people. See, the team leader should be committed to work. Suppose they are given a set of 1 month, they should complete a project. They should complete within 1 month of time. It is a commitment to work. The team leader aware of that work nature, day and night is work. He also motivated he motivated himself, always motivated his team. He will complete the task and complete work. He will hand over that work completed work. He is a reliable person and he should be a good communicator and also he's a positive thinker. Okay, friends. So team leader should have all these qualities. Means he can get success. Not only his success, his team also gets success. He can take it to the next level. Am I correct, my friends? Are you all agree? Agree my point, students? Thank you, Dinesh Kumar. Yes, sir. Thank you. Okay, we can move to next slide. No, next slide. Next is learning. See, learning is very important, my dear friends. When you want till our life, we should learn everything. How to know, how to walk, how to run, how to speak, how to study. Everything learning in our life. Am I right, friends? Clear? Am I audible, my dear friends? I'm clear? Are you all agree? Excellent. Yes. So learning is throughout the life. So please learn throughout your life. See, I mentioned learning. Government is Central government having two government. Lot of portal in that I mentioned NSTL and SWIAM. I mentioned online website portal. It is there given a lot of free online courses available in the NSTL and the SWIAM portal. If you want to learn, you can go and check the website. If you want to learn anything else, technical, soft skills, anything else you can learn. It's a free of cost. Only for the courses absolutely free. Only the exam point of view they will charge possible fees. Remaining all is absolutely free. The next things we should learn Excel, Word, PowerPoint presentation is very important in your when you are to perform better in your workplace or wherever you are, because Word is moving the data. So if you know very well these things, tomorrow you are going to join in a company like an airport or wherever you are manufacturing company. There you should know you are working technical as well as you should be able to present your team member or superior. For that, learning is very important, my dear friends. So learning, please learn PowerPoint, Excel, and Word also things. Next, I'd like to also you should attend a seminar, workshop, online webinar, contest. These are all why us to learn. We can learn new things because we can learn something from one person. Okay, some message you can take in from that seminar or workshop. You are updating, you are improving your knowledge. So please try to attend all seminar, workshop, and online webinar. Okay, contest. Contest is very important. Many companies nowadays they are conducting contests to select their employees. Number one, to get a new idea, they are conducting a contest. For that, they are giving the certificates and the cash awards, and also it is more excellent means they are giving the employment opportunity also. So please try to participate in your college days, all these things, my dear friends. Next, how many are having the reading habits, my dear friends? Somebody answer. Friends, reading habits, how many are having? Any answer? Students?
Yes, sir.
Participation? Participant, anybody? Okay. See, reading habit is very important to updating your knowledge. Okay. So you can talk about good, right. Lakshman, Vaishnavi, to Manu. Good. So keep on reading the great leaders, achievers, success story. It will motivate us, give a confidence level. We can get success in our life. Okay. They are sharing their experience. From that we can take lessons. We can move forward. That's why I suggest you read more and more books in these days. And learning technique knowledge. See, apart from your subject, you also should learn technique knowledge is very important, which will help you to perform in the company where you are going to work in the future. Thank you. Any doubts in this topic? Friends, any doubts?
No, sir.
Thank you. Please move to the next slide. The creativity. This is very important nowadays in this present scenario, creativity. So people should have a creativity will get success, because if you have a creativity thinking, these skills includes the problem solving, writing skills, visual art, and communication skills. And see, if you have a creative, if you are doing creative new things, the people will ready to recruit. Many companies are waiting, because we are living in a competitive world. To get a job, this creativity is important. And if you earn more, if you do the creativity, you get a lot of income. People are waiting to recruit you. So start create new things, improve your creative skills. Okay, friends. Out of thinking box. So generally, we are don't do any routine work. Think differently. That is the move different forward. That is thinking. That is for the out of thinking box. So my dear friends, think differently. You will get a innovative things. Automatically, you will get a success. New ideas, new product will come. So people will recruit you. Any doubt in this topic, my dear friends? No, thanks. Please, next slide, please. Networking. Okay, this is very important, my dear friends. How many people are agreeing networking is important, and why? Please answer.
To communicate.
Yeah, good. Anybody else? Okay, fine. I will solve. See, I can connecting the people is very important. You can Nokia. Saying of Nokia is connecting the people. Okay, what I suggest to you to building the relationship. Okay, good. That is me. Okay. See, say for example, in your class, 60 people. Except you, 59 people. All you should be friends with all 59 people. Why am I saying no? You can learn something from your friends. Their new ideas, their culture, their what they are doing in their hometown. You can learn a lot of things. He will support you for your education, or anything you will support. And also, every minute you are writing a resume. Say for example, today you are doing something. Today a person like I can take Lakshman. Lakshman today conducting you. Maybe tomorrow going to conduct an event in your college. Okay, he is taking the leadership. Okay, the other friend he will watch you. So every minute there is called every minute the other friend coordinating he is the leader, other friend is the organizing committee. So after some time, 3 years, 4 years time, span of time, that friend is working somewhere else. Any opening in that company, he will recommend you. For that, networking is important. And the other scenario, your friends maybe start new companies. He will think of you. Okay, Mr. Lakshman or Dinesh Kumar, we can call him. We can make it for that position. So for that, networking is, if possible, you can have friends with all department people. It's well and good. Okay, thank you. Next networking is Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, because so many mass media is there serving the world, because all the information of everything shared in this media, very job opportunity or learning new things, everything available. I can say the LinkedIn, this is a professional group. How many people are having the member in the LinkedIn? Anybody member in LinkedIn? My father is Lakshman. Good, excellent. Dinesh Kumar, no. Any students? Anybody is having LinkedIn connection? No. Lakshman, is it? You ask your parent or father to care how to sort of, today you can go and open a LinkedIn account, because you can get lot of information, update, the corporate world update is available in the LinkedIn, because a lot of HR is there in the LinkedIn group. They will share their job opportunity. Through that also you get a job opportunity, lot of contacts. You can get a job opportunity, lot many information. Through that you can get it. Any information, any clarity on this networking? Yes, yes. Job many things are available there. Good. Akshaya is okay. Lakshman, actually, not is yes. Good. Okay, fine. We can, any doubts in this slide? Okay. We can move on to next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Digital era. Why is important digital era? Yes, well, get will experience come back. Yes, we all now living in digital era, because nowadays after COVID, no, everything happening through the digital media. Okay, so now with this lesson also we are doing the online learning. Okay, on the digital we are doing this program, and tomorrow after onwards you are going to start your academics. So online digital is very important. Even your seniors are start writing the examination through online. Lot of webinars going through online, and banking activity through online. E-commerce. What is e-commerce? Anybody can answer?
Electronic commerce.
Okay. Anything else?
Buying and selling throughout internet, sir.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, tell me.
Buying and selling throughout internet.
Excellent. Can you give some example?
Amazon, Flipkart, sir.
Amazon.
Excellent. See, today Amazon, Flipkart, all are making crores and crores of money through the e-commerce, because we are also buying through online platform. So digital going to rule the world, and to medical counseling, because all foreign countries now practicing the medical counseling through the online. We are also going to implement. Next is the all job opportunity. Now we started, business consumer environment, creating the job opportunity era. Now we started virtual campus. In our LG students, For arts and science, engineering, MB, we already started for the 21 passing campus recruitment, right? Through the virtual campus. Almost we completed 4 campus fair through the virtual mode of drive. So, with online digital era, it's very important. Please get exposure in your online platform. Okay, friends. Any doubt or clarification in these topics? Yes, students, any clarification? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Thank you, thank you. We can move to next slide. Okay, updating our awareness. This is very important to get success in our life. So, tomorrow we're going to get a job. No? How many people will be asked? What is your strength? Okay. You should think about your strength. What is strength and weakness? What is strength? You can tell somebody's strength, share your views, strength and weakness. Any students can participate? Because face the situation, yes, good, excellent. Physically strong, good. Our capacity, good. Yeah, good. See, strength, what are the positive things we have? Strength, okay. Maybe your communication skills, facing the situation, okay. Leading the team. Okay, these are all your strength. Please improve your strength. What is the weakness? Weakness part.
Fearness, sir.
Sorry, ma'am. Fear, excellent. Why fear? See, how to should come across or reduce our fear or calm down fear. Please learn these times. This will all help you in your entry time. They will ask you. Then preparation about the company. Okay. Fine, sir. See, in the final year, you are going to attend the panel. Yeah, Dinesh Kumar about something. Good. So now we are going to move to the preparation about the company. So when you are going to attend the interview, you should go to the company website. Okay, who is the founder chairman? When was company started? How many employees currently working? What is the vision and the mission of the company or motto of the company? How many employees currently working? Okay. Who is the competitor? Who is the customer? You should go through all the details, which will help you in the time of personal interview. You can impress the HR. Okay. What is the motto of our NGA? Students, battery rooms, okay. What is the motto of a layer group form institution? Anybody can answer? Yeah, excellent, excellent. Vasuki, molding madam, Vasuki madam, molding true citizen, excellent madam. Thank you. Yes, students, molding true citizen. Likewise, that a company is also having the motto, vision, mission like that. We can share their knowledge, their vision, mission. They will impressed. Okay. What Dinesh Krishna? Molding true citizen. It is the motto of their group of institution. Am I clear, Dinesh Krishna? Thank you. Okay, and you should update your technology. What is happening in the world today? Cloud computing, AI, artificial intelligence, lot of new technologies coming. You should update. then only you can survive in the competitive world. And job profile. Before attending the company, you should also go through the job profile. What is the salary they are offering? What is the destination we are going to work? What is the nature of job? These are all mentioned in the job profile. It will help you to attending the time of interview. Please go through all these details because we will share all the details in the time of entry process. Observation. So observation knowledge is very important. What is happening in and around the world? What is new technologies going on? What is new implementation? What is the new amendment is going on in India? Anybody can answer? Any students? What is a new amendment? It's a lot of things going on, like centralized. What are the new amendment, new policy? Yeah, we will see new amendment things. No, one card, one India, like the lot of things. Recently, August NRA, there is a National Recruitment Agency, and August 19, 2020. That is previously all the people are having the different departments recruitment, like Railway Recruitment Board, Packing Service Recruitment Board, okay, Staff Service Commission, Civil Service Commission. So it is a Union Public Service Commission or Service Union. Nowadays they are made to only one recruitment panel, that is NRA, National Recruitment Agency. Hereafter, only through NRA only, government going to conduct, it is a common eligibility test. All the central government jobs going to complete through NRA only. Please understand this. Yes, you are right. Any doubt in this topic? Okay, we can move on to the next topic. Key practice. Okay, friends. See, keep good marks in academics. So if you want to get a good job, a dream job, you will score good marks in your academics. So I request you, students, my dear friends, from the first year onwards, start focus 100% on studies. Don't keep any ideas. From first year onwards, score high marks and clear all the papers, because many companies recruiting those are having high marks without any arrears. For that, you should start focus your academics. Next is dress code. In Tamil people we say, all party, are party. Am I clear? Am I audible? Hello? Yeah, thank you. So dress code.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Thank you. So dress code is important. In Tamil people we say, all party, adai party. Okay. The proper attire is very important in the time of interview or any time. You always dress well. Maybe on the boys light shirt, dark pant, clean haircut, clean shave, clean polish, like that you should have, and you should prepare quality file, 10th, 12th degree, all the mark sheet you should have, and you should have must possess a Indian passport, which will help you. It will help you to get a job, because you should to travel even abroad for that acquire the Indian passport, and you should relocate, ready to relocate anywhere in India. Yes, sir, I am from Palakkad, or I am from Madurai, Tiruvallur. I need job only those area. No, it is not possible. You should ready to go anywhere in India, if possible anywhere in the world. people in a corporate will recruit if you are a flexible person ready to go anywhere. Okay. So friends, and excellent verbal and written communication skills in both Hindi English is must because you are going to work in the airlines and airport regarding OME companies which will help you. So you should know Hindi and English is must. And also if you know the any other language, Japanese language, will give a abroad opportunity. And also pleasing personalities is very important. Okay. Any doubts, friends, in this topic? Any doubt? No, thank you. We can move to next slide. So job opportunity in following few companies. So lot many companies are available. I mentioned now.
Sir, we couldn't hear you, sir.
Sir,
Students, the session is not yet over. Please wait.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay. So, my dear friends, you will get these companies like Coast Global, Capgemini, Airworks, Max Aero and Aviation Limited, Lionbridge, Hemco, HAL, ISRO, Airport, and LSC. Lot many companies. You will get the opportunity. These are the few companies I mentioned. Any doubts? Next slide. See, okay, you are going to join the, you will get, suppose you are going to get a place this designation, lot of designations available. I mentioned few designation like trainee engineer, technical publication, aircraft engineer, aircraft maintenance technician, airport ground staff, supervision of technical, clerical and lead staff, customer care executive, cabin crew, air hostess, etc. The salary will be starting from 3 lakhs per annum. Okay. Any doubts in this topic? Mom, we can move to next slide, Mom. Okay, fine. Actually, we are completing the session is over.
So I end with, I started with the Tirukural, I end with the Tirukural. So whatever அறிவினை என்ப உளவோ கருவியார் காலம் அறிந்து செயல் தேவையான சாதனங்களுடன் உரிய நேரத்தை அறிந்து செயல்பட்டால் முடியாது என்று எவையுமே இல்லை. So friends, whatever we set the qualities, things, like communication skills, leadership quality, so many things, goals. If you learn these things, do it on time, definitely you'll get a success in your life. You can get into a dream company, score high marks, and with a dream, place in a dream company. So all the best. God bless you all. Any doubt? Thank you.
No, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Any doubts? I think students, you can have a question and answer.
Students, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, sir.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Hope you all understand, my dear friends. Okay, that means we can conclude, ma'am. Thank you very much for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you, and our management, Secretary sir, and Dean Polish sir, and Dr. Singarabalan sir, Ilakia madam, Vasuki madam, all the student friends. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And,
Thank you, sir.
and Murthy sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful thought-provoking session. Now I request Mr. R. Singaravadivelu, Professor and Head, Department of Aeronautical Sciences, Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Science, for the felicitation. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Sir, respected Subramani sir, you have given a very wonderful session. You have started with the Tirukural and ended with the Tirukural, which will be the very great.
Thank you.
And you have given the full complete details of the how to get ready for the lessons, how to get ready for daily activities, and what are all the job opportunities, and what are all the companies. All the details you have given, which all will be much useful to our young students, which will be much useful, sir. Thank you very much once again. Thank you for your nice webinar and for your nice orientation with the students. Thank you very much. Then, dear all students, thank you very much for the patience and all you had about more than about 20 sessions. You have listened to the orientation. Out of all 20 orientation programs, you have learned a lot. I hope you are all fully equipped for our regular classes from 21st, that is coming Monday onwards. Today at 2:30 p.m. after your lunch, all of you kindly join. We will be giving you the familiarization of our campuses, and you can clarify any doubts regarding your admission procedure, fees procedure, any other doubts you are having, you can clarify. All the faculties and our Dean sir, myself, our training manager Ramesh Babu sir, all will be attending, all the faculties will be attending. Everyone, whoever having a doubts, you can clarify and you can start our classes from 21st onwards. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The organization team, Madam Vasuki Madam, Ilakia Madam, Vishadani Madam, all for your nice arrangements, and everything went on very well. On almost all the 20 programs were very effective and very enterprising for the students. All must have equipped now. Thank you very much, sir. Once again, thank you very much, sir, for your nice webinar. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. We have successfully completed our 10 days orientation program. I would like to thank our management, our Dean sir, HOD sir, our training manager sir, and our Professor Emeritus, and all my beloved colleagues, and the guest speakers, and finally my dear lovable students, and everyone who are involved to make this program a grand success. So thank you very much. So as most of you requested, we have scheduled a meeting by today afternoon at 2:30 for the campus introduction. So our Dean sir will address the afternoon session. So I request all of you to kindly join the meeting by 2:30. Now we all wind up. So thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, the organization team. Very good.
Thank you, sir. All.
Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you.